Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can record a conversation in Google Meet. So to actually do this guys, the first step is to go into a new tab and type in record Google Meeting extension. Click on enter guys, and you guys should see this right here, record Google Meet. Go ahead and open it up guys. And now click on add to Chrome, click on add extension once again, and now let's just wait for it to finish uploading. Boom, we just added it right here. So now go back to your meeting guys, click on your extensions right here, scroll down until you see record Google Meet, click on it, and then click on start recording. We can also record our camera and our microphone as well, so go ahead and select them as well. Click on start recording, click on enable screen recording. I'm not going to do that because I am currently making a video guys. And yeah, that's basically how you guys record. Thank you so much for watching and peace.